Hello, friends. Today I would like to share some precision parts machining. It is a vehicle lens equipped on our car for shooting and detecting the external environment of our car. Due to the poor usage environment and high standards of precision needs, it requires the machining accuracy is very high, and the dimensional accuracy should be within. The roundness of the hole should be within. To keep the precision stability when 10 million number processing. All of these require that the machine tool must have good smoothness of operation, good precision maintenance, requesting the guideway, spindle and other important running parts have a high degree of abrasion resistance and durability. This sample part is processing by XKNC, small precision CNC lathe, which has a wide range of applications, high machining accuracy, flexible configuration, applied in a variety of machining occasions. Okay, today we have shared the recent parts our machine processed. Welcome to follow. I will offer more sample parts machining and machine tools technology in the following days.